Hello everyone, this is Sandra from Sawmill. Now let me introduce our American wood pallet automatic kneading machine. For our kneading machine, it includes the electric cabinet, kneading machine, wood pallet stacking, air storage tank, and the wood pallet platform. First, we introduce our electric cabinet. Here it has a large screen, the 15-inch touch screen. In the touch screen, we can set in the position, the number of the nails, and adjust the kneading speed. And it also can remotely monitor troubleshoot. And it also can remotely upgrade the program for life. And for our machine, it also has the aviation plug. It's easy for links wiring. And this is our kneading machine. For our kneading machine, here you can see the PLC is using Siemens, and the electrical component is the chain. And the nail gun is used postage from the United States, and the solenoid valve and the cylinder is used Taiwan air tag. For a machine, one person can operation. It is automatic kneading, automatic stacking, and automatic transmission. For our wood pallet kneading machine, it can process many types of wood pallets, such as flying wing wood pallets, solid wood pallets, and the ply wood pallets. It also can process the 4-beam or 3-beam wood pallets. If you want to change 4-beam into 3 beams, it's simple. We can loosen the top and the bottom screw and move the air tank kneading gun to the side and remove the air tap of the nail gun will be okay. And for this wood pallet kneading machine, the max size it can process for this size is 1,500 millimeter, and for this size it can process is 100 and 300 millimeter. For our machine, we can customize for you, but for the length of the beam cannot be beyond 1,300 millimeter. Otherwise, it cannot load the container. And for our machine, if you want to adjust the size of the wood pallet, here it has the hand valve. You can put in the hand valve, and the beam can move. Then we can adjust the distance between the beam, then adjust the size of the pallet. And here also have the press button. We can control the motion by press the button. It's also okay. And this is a servo motor. So the function of the servo motor is to control the nail size and the stroke. After a machine needs the wood pallet, it can translate to our hydraulic stacking. For our stacking, it uses hydraulic. It's make it more powerful. Here it has the hydraulic pump. When you receive the machine, you can add some the hydraulic oil, and such as the chain, the bearing, and the screw. You can also add some butter. For this wood pallet palletizer, the maximum number of the wood pallet it can palletizing is 25 piece wood pallet, and the maximum weight it can accept is 1 kilogram, 1,000 kilogram. And this is a air storage tank. It's also used to match the machine. And here have the nail. On the nail gun, it also have to install the nail. For the length of the nail, you can choose 50 to 65 millimeters will be okay. And for our nail gun, we also use American MAC high-speed solenoid valve to control the reaction speed of the nail gun to make it kneading faster.